Good morning, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're down in the basement, and we're in the, I guess, the inner sanctum sanctorum over here, where got a lot of stuff, and you could see the cinder block walls. But this is the bunker, of the basement. Now, we are looking at a locomotive that looks very similar to what I just ran by Atlas, but that was a Delaware and Hudson, and that was a Trainmaster. This is a silver. Now, I don't know how many different variations they came out with, but this is a silver locomotive, and it's Lehigh and Hudson, not Delaware and Hudson. Looks very similar paint scheme. What's an Atlas Master Locomotive Silver? The enclosed Atlas Master locomotive represents the height of model, railroad design, and technology. Each unit features exquisite craftsmanship, smooth performance, and museum quality details. Now let's see what it says in here. Okay, 5-pole skew armature motor with dual flywheels, realistic die-cast frame, directional lighting, blackened wheels, Accumate couplers, painted safety rails, DCC ready, includes NMRA 8-pin plug. So this is probably from anywhere from the late 90s, early 2000s. So, technology is, of course, passing it by, but it's probably still a wonderful locomotive. We're going to have to check it out. This one also opens differently. This opens with the top lifting up. The other box I had to slide it out. So let's take a look in there. So when we look inside, it's got a nice paint scheme. I'll have to take it over to the layout, see how she runs. All right, let's put this top on for safe transport, and we'll go bring it over. Okay, well, we got the locomotive out of the box, and here she is. Very pretty. Still has the safety cushions located or inserted between the handrails and the main body of the locomotive. And in here, there's some detail parts. Like these are the front railings, front and back, which go on either end. You can see they don't have them there. And then there's alternate couplers if you want to have horn hook couplers. And there's, I think these are snow plows. I think that's what they are. But I'm not putting them on at the moment. So we just want to see if this thing will run. This is on a primitive power pack, so it's not going to send a small amount of current through. So that's not really its lowest speed, but as you can see, it's doing quite well. And again, this is a much older MRC. So it does the job, but you have to use the newer ones if you want to see, all the fine stuff that these locos can do. She's doing great right out of the box. She should be coming around this mountain here. Wow. What a beautiful locomotive. Considering I picked this up about 12 years ago. It's been in the box all that time, so it's at least 12 years old, and it's probably older. I'm not sure what series Atlas is up to, if they even call it that anymore. seems to be running incredibly well right out of the box. That's a long slumber. Wow. Well, that's the short video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And, by the way, I'm thinking my channel's kind of small, and maybe my mistake was that I have 3 different topics on my channel. I have toy trains, I have some cooking, and I have some outdoor nature stuff. Maybe what I'm going to do is leave this channel alone. I'll keep posting to it, but maybe I should make Bobby's Hobbies just trains, and Bobby's Hobbies just cooking, and Bobby's Hobbies just nature, so that when you tune in, you could come to this channel and get all of it. But if you say, you know what, I don't, I could get my cooking videos elsewhere, I could get my nature videos elsewhere, but say hopefully you like the train videos, so I'm just going to go to Bobby's Hobbies Just Trains. Tell me if you think that's a good idea. Maybe I should scrap it all. I don't know. Don't be too harsh. But anyway, thank you so much, and hope you're enjoying the videos. And again, I know I have to get better, and hopefully I will, and have more enjoyment to come. Thank you so much. Bye for now.